Good afternoon. I'm Brent Wilsey. With me is Chase Wilsey. We're from Wilsey Asset Management, and welcome to today's Smart Investing Daily Briefing. Well, today we're talking about oil, and we talked about oil back in January, and oil was down about $26 a barrel, and the word was, oh, it's going to $10 a barrel, how terrible it was, and so forth. And we said, no, based on supply demand issues, that can't happen. Well, what's actually happened today, the inventories came out, and they were down 3.2 million barrels. So they're starting to reduce that inventory because why? Such things as gas demand year over year up 2.6%. So more oil is being used as people are driving more and they're producing less now.
Yeah, and that's focused here on the U.S. with the gas demand. China demand has actually been higher than anticipated, and also world demand is actually higher than anticipated as well. I saw the IEA actually revise their estimates upward. Also, we talked about it, low supply, why these big companies are cutting their capital expenditures, so they're not out there exploring for oil. That hurts the supply. And we always talk about unrest, particularly in the Middle East,
Right.
But in this case it was in Nigeria. They're having some issues over there, which again hurts the supply of oil. And price of oil today, intraday, $51.16 for WTI and $52.39 for Brent. Again, a far cry from that $26 a barrel or even that $10 a barrel low.
Almost a double from the 26 cents in about 5 months. So again, a lot of changes in oil. Again, we told you that would happen because of supply demand issues. Easy to see, but takes time for that to happen. I think there's still more to come too on a little bit higher oil prices. I'll say by the end of the year, 60 to 70. That's what I think we'll be at. So I'll put that out there for you. Coming today is Target. We can see the current price around $68 a share. The high for the year is $85.81. The low $65.50. You can see it had a nice run up, went up here, and then pulled that back down about $68 a share. Let's take a look at the numbers to see if it is a good buy or not. We do see, looking at the valuation ratios here, that they're all under the industry average. What you're paying for the earnings, what you pay for the sales, what you pay for the tangible book value, and the cash flow, all are on sale now. That's how you value a company, on these four fundamentals. Great time to be buying a Target based on these. Year-over-year sales are flat, but they're doing a great job managing those earnings up 34%. And these are flat because of apparel, because of the warm winter that we had, that people weren't buying winter clothes.
Yeah, exactly. And as always, it's important to take a look at the balance sheet. As you can see, debt to equity, 113%. Total debt about $13 billion. The reason I want to take a look here is back in 2012, their total debt was $18.2 billion. So nice to see that they're actually paying down that debt. The debt isn't increasing. Again, we always say you got to know what's going on with the debt levels. That's what's going on. Going forward, January 2018, estimated earnings per share on a GAAP basis, $5.60, gives a target sell price of $92.40, which is an estimated gain of about 36%. So I'm kind of liking what I'm seeing with this company.
Yeah, and it's funny, everybody liked the company over here, like, oh, Target's so great and so forth. We didn't like it, too expensive. Now down here, oh, realtors have a problem. Don't buy retailers right now. They're not a good time. This is when you start buying when nobody else wants to. That's a good value. So let me ask you, with that said, do you think you're going to get a return on your money? Maybe you're not happy with that return, or on your investments and so forth. Also, maybe, just maybe, you're not happy with the current advisor you have. Maybe he's not giving you good advice. Well, that could mean it's time for you to give us a call here at Wilsey Asset Management. We've managed your money successfully for over 30 years.
Yeah, you want to call and have a conversation. The phone number here, 858-546-4306, or you can contact us at our website, smartinvesting2000.com.